of the product. Naiintindihan ko po how the products actually work. It resonates in our body, goes to the skin, goes to your muscles, ligaments, and bone, all the way to your bone marrow, and it resonates your human cell. Yun lang po sinasabi ko sa presentation. And it vibrates 1,000,000 times per second. So ang ginagawa nito, sabi ko sa presentation ko, it revives, regenerates our human cell. And what does our human cell do in our body? Okay, nagre-resonate siya the same frequency as our human cell, and then our self-healing begins. It gives us circulation, good blood flow, and it circulates healthy bloods in our vital organs. Wala pa pong device ngayon na nilabas in the history of the world na ganito ka-powerful. And every presentation that we do in after therapy, and people feel something great, something good, at bumibili po sila. Kaya itong device na to, not only na powerful po, ang device po nito, marami pong so much greatness, so much wellness, na hindi ko po inaakala na makakapagpagaling. At that time, nung bago kami, hindi, pagka tinatanong sa akin kung anong nagagawa ng equipment, ng device, hindi ko po masagot. Dahil bago pa lang ako, hindi ko masagot. Pero sabi ko, it's worth trying it. Sabi ko, dahil sabi ko, kung ang health ninyo, ang priority ninyo, and you believe, sabi ko, na health is our wealth, sabi ko, what is $400? At that time, $400 pa yung device. So kung isipin nyo, sabi ko, is your health worth $400? Most of the people will say, of course not. So yun ang mga sinasabi ko sa mga tao. And then, eventually, ultimately, after the therapy, everyone buys. So ang strategy namin sa business is mostly, ang pinaka-biggest bulk ng aming selling point and highest selling point sa aming business is our testimony. We have so many testimonies po, pero most especially kung magpipresent po tayo sa mga tao, yung presentation natin, yung ating testimony po is what sells. Ang product po, we believe, and we share the device to them, we believe that the device actually work. Very powerful po to. At hindi tayo mahihiya sa mga tao na i-share ito sa mga tao dahil alam natin nagwo-work. So, strategy natin sa business, ang number one po na ginagawa namin sa US, heavy po kami sa testimony po namin, and then we give a little bit of science of that, at nagpapalabas po kami ng mga 5 to 10 minute presentation on the screen. And then pagkatapos po nilang manood, nag-aano lang po kami, nag-closing remark, at saka nag-start na po kami ng therapy. And habang tinetherapy po namin sila, kinakausap namin sila kung ano yung mga kondisyon nila, at nagtatanong naman sila sa amin kung paano pagalingin yung mga knee pains and some parts of their body. And ultimately po, yung mga tao talaga excited sila, lalo na yung may mga chronic pains, at nagkakaroon sila ng maraming, lalo na yung mga family members nila na hindi na makalakad, o kaya may mga cancer, yung mga family members nila, tinatanong sa akin kung pwedeng pagalingin o makatulong to para gumaling ang cancer. At sinasabi ko po sa kanila lagi, kung hindi sa akin lang po, kung hindi ko alam na mapapagaling po yan, hindi ko po sasabihin. Okay? At ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanila, baka po this device can help.